Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. This is the hair that we'll be using today for today's style. This is a Afro kinky spring hair, and you can use any pack that you find. I had 2-pack at home. I didn't have to buy anything new. I just went into my basement and I found these packs of spring hair. You can also use ultra spring hair as well. And also for this style, we'll be using human hair bundles. I didn't buy these, I just found them as well. I'm trying to reuse some of the hair that I've had from previous videos, so I don't know exactly what type of curl pattern this is. It's giving me more like a deep kinky curly or a deep curly type of hair. So it doesn't have to be like a super expensive human hair, because honestly it won't make a difference as long as you use mousse and detangle on a daily. Now, I always do my braiding styles with this mirror. You can find it in my Amazon storefront. Like, it will be a life-changing type of situation when you use this to braid your hair. Also, for the products, we'll be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, some honey beeswax to twist my hair, and also the OG Blue Magic to lock in moisture into my hair after I put all those products. And this is what my hair is looking like after I braid it down. Now, I washed and braided my hair the day before because I can't do my hair all in one sitting because I get too tired. So I need to do them in stages. So this is what the springy afro hair looks like. And as I said, you can use any brand you want. So it doesn't really matter. I am using the 16-inch. So you don't need it to be long because this will be a bob look. So also pay attention to how I'm going to install this hair, because I make it uneven with how I am about to twist it. For the human pieces, since it's not pre-cut, I cut it myself and then I use the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers on the ends to lock in the curls. This is how I am about to install these messy lock bob. Faux lock bob. Is that the name of it? I think it's called messy faux lock bob. So I first crochet the spring hair through the roots of my braids, and then I'm going to add in our human curly piece also at the root, because I want it to be like a super big curly type of look. So after we do that, we're gonna grab the end, the long piece, and then we're gonna put that away. Make sure that it's snug so it doesn't slip through when it's time to wrap. So I'm gonna wrap my hair snugly at the roots to make sure that everything is wrapped tightly inside my faux lock. Even though we're doing it snugly, you don't wanna be too snug because you don't wanna cause too much tension on your root, and also you don't want your lock to be too stiff. So it's basically like doing a soft lock. So this is how we're gonna add our pieces of hair. So we're gonna add the hair end. I made it uneven, so we're using the shorter piece inside the lock, and you can add as many as you want. I added 3 pieces, so I added 1 at the root, I added 1 in the middle, and if I'm feeling generous, I add a second one in the middle depending on how long I'm going. And then you can do at the end if you want, but I only used 3 pieces because I didn't want it to be like too much. And then after I get to the end where I want my bob to end, I'm going to start wrapping upwards with the afro spring hair. Because of this afro spring hair, you don't have to do too much because it already locks in by itself, if you know what I mean. So you don't have to like use any spray on it to hold it in place. All you have to do is wrap it up and then just twirl it within your palm, and that is it. It's not gonna move. So what I will advise that I wish I knew before is to put nail glue on where you put the human hair in to keep it secure. Like, you just want to put it right there. I didn't do it because I thought it was going to be super secure, but after a week of wearing it, I did have some fall out. So that will be my advice to you. Get a little teeny bit of nail glue and just put it at where you added that human hair. So now I'm just gonna repeat the process over and over. Once you get a hang of it, it's super fast, it's super easy to do. Just after learning the initial steps, it's like a breeze. Now for this part, because I realized that the hair was a little bit thick at the end, I couldn't wrap it all at once. So what I'm doing is taking little pieces of the hair at a time and wrapping it upward so it doesn't look too bulky at the end. In all, I used 2 packs of the Afro springy hair and then 1 bundle of curly hair. So this is what the finished product looks like, and I am so in love with it. I got this inspiration from Pinterest. It's called Messy Bob Lock or Messy Lock Bob, however you want to call it. Next, I'm going to add some mousse to my hair, and this is going to help to keep our curls defined and give it that luscious, volumized, defined, you know, end product fresh out of the salon type look. Okay guys, now this is our completed look. Let me know what you think about this messy lock bob. I feel like it is so cute. It's so easy to do. It is something that I wouldn't say it was super quick because it did take me about 6 hours to do this by myself. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. All the details will be in my description box. And I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.